Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel We Can Work. On this channel, I bring you the resources to make money online. Today, we will look at the platform Systeme.io. I was looking for a sales funnel when I was introduced to System, but what I found was a ton of tools for every part of a digital business. Let's look at the Systeme.io platform. Spoiler alert, you will be able to create and sell practically every digital product on this platform. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, and buy me a coffee at the link below. The best thing about Systeme.io is that you can build any digital product on their platform. It accommodates a multitude of tools like a website builder for physical and digital products, online courses, webinars, online communities. You will also be able to automate sales and marketing, create funnels, pipelines, email newsletters, and email campaigns. You can also use their booking calendars. It's also pretty cool that you can access their affiliates to sell your digital products all on Systeme.io. Just so you know, you can get started on Systeme for free. I will leave a link in the description for you to see all the features you get with a free account. Let's look at their sales funnels. They promise the easiest sales funnel you will ever build. Sales funnel templates, sales funnel integrated with email lists, payment systems, and membership sites. You can also automate funnel steps and trigger email sequences that give instant access to buyers. If you're considering creating a sales funnel, use the link in the description to sign up on System. Let's look at the email marketing tool. The email marketing tool at System integrates funnels and websites, allows you to send unlimited emails to all of your contacts, allows you to set up automated email sequences, will categorize your customers and send tailored emails to specific groups. If you want to integrate your email marketing with funnels, websites, use the link below to set up your account and have access to System's amazing email marketing tools. Let's look at System's website builder. Start with their proven website templates and speed up the building process. Set up automations. Create the website you want with a simple drag and drop editor and add email sequences. Integrate your email list, payment system, and online courses. Create and add a blog and deliver your content directly to your audience. Whether you're selling digital or physical products, you can set up your website quickly with easy to use templates. Use the link below to get started. Let's look at the online course builder. You can create online courses that are one-off or recurring. Give and restrict access to students. Set up tests that determine if students should proceed to the next module based on results. You will also be able to offer your students a single course or bundles at a discount. Systeme.io allows you to manage students, give them access to training materials. You will also have access to email newsletters, allowing you to communicate with your students and keep them motivated. Educators, instructors, creators, motivators. If you're curious about the online course features on System, click the link below to learn more. System also provides you with an army of sales affiliates to sell your physical and digital products online. You will have powerful affiliate tracking solutions, manage affiliate commission and payout on System's platform, communicate with offers and incentives to get the best results from your sales team. You can now get Systeme.io certified for free. I was able to get certified in just one day. Master every single System IO feature, monetize your expertise, offer funnel and website building services to your clients, complete the course at your own pace and at any time. I will leave a separate link if you want to get certified on System. Let's look at System IO's pricing page. System has a monthly and annual payment. The annual payment plan instantly gives you 2 months free. All plans require no credit card at sign up. There is the freemium, which is a free account. Startup plan for $17 per month. Webinar plan at $47 per month for premium webinar features. The unlimited plan, which gives you access to all of their features for $97 per month. This pricing is as of August 2025. Please click on my System.io link for updated pricing. All plans, including the free plan, get unlimited emails, unlimited file storage space, unlimited students for your online courses, no transaction fees, access to affiliate programs, and online support. System.io gave me an affiliate link to share with my audience. If you sign up for a paid plan, I will get a commission, so thank you for using my link. If you're considering making money from digital or physical products online, I hope you consider using System.io to create, sell, market, and manage your business online. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified when I post the next video. You can also buy me a coffee at the link below. I appreciate all your support. After this video, I have a video recommendation for you to watch next. That's it for now. Until next time, bye for now.